Hey, what's up everyone? Aubrey Trades here with another trade recap. Down day for me, ending about negative like $30 roughly from MJWL. I'm not mad at the setup. It did the thing. Morning spike, consolidate, higher low, tighter range. This was the move I was wanting. It happened a little earlier than I was anticipating, so I missed it and tried to buy the dip. Had the risk set on 13.8, got stopped out at 13.8 when this pull happened into the close. So I was buying for higher. We had this flush, higher low. I was retested the high. Let's break out, right? And so then we started kind of getting here. We got to this candle. I'm like, this doesn't look so great. Let's get out. But so I can't be mad. It's not a dumb decision, not a dumb reaction. I didn't FOMO buy into everything. I followed the plan. Bummed that I missed out on AHFD, which was the real afternoon runner. I got disinterested. I missed the first spike going into power hour here on MJWL, and then I was looking at AHFD thinking maybe it would start to perk up a little to like 4.2 before doing the spike, but then it sagged and got underneath the average lines, and I was like, okay, maybe this ends up closing weak. I could see that because it's up. It had this midday spike, like weird action here. I could see this just sagging a little into the close, but ended up just being the retest of the consolidation lows 1, 2, 3 times before spiking like 20% into the close. So that clearly would have been the better move, better idea, and I just got caught into MJWL. That's fine. Definitely underestimating this stock a bunch. We're going to keep watching it, even though the daily now is crazy overextended. But we're going to, anticipate a down day, right? I mean, a dip to dub 17 would be fantastic. I would welcome it with open arms. Not sure that I'm going to get it, but remember, this is up on acquisition news. Health food, so not like the sexiest sector, but it is an acquisition. So this could set up a multi-week, multi-month run to like the multiple cents, right? So, this can go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cents. I mean, it's a whole acquisition, so who knows? And this could be one of the stocks that carries us into the winter OTC season. I really want to catch that. I remember like MJWL and GGII first starting to run, and I played this earlier in the year. Bam, when it was at like 3 cents. And then it ran to 7. I sold in the 4s. And then it continued on to 26 cents. Like, I want to get involved in one of those, and I want to have the stones to be able to hold a core position along the ride while maybe like taking advantage of intraday opportunities. Now, this just gave us this lame wash, which is behavior I've been noticing in OTCs recently. They'll kind of take you down at the close and then buy it back up. So I got to set the risk wider if I'm taking this kind of a trade, which is something I have no problem doing on listed plays because I play with such small size that it doesn't matter. I'll close this out by talking about some of the other trades that I made. Prague, OCGN, NTRBW. NTRBW is the warrants to NTRB. And I was looking for a dip and rip. Well, NTRB was a dip and rip setup from the morning. It took a while, but here you see 5, 10, 15 minutes obeying this 9:45 rule. I'm sorry, I'm on the wrong day, huh? That's funny how that still worked out though. Delayed. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes. So here I'm thinking, okay, the dip and rip's gonna work, right? And then you have this initial stuff at VWAP. This candle started red, but I took the long here, and I knew to risk low of day. Now, I'm doing this on the warrants, right? So as that's going on here, I'm taking the warrants trade at 306. This is like much more liquid. The spread's kind of gross. So you got to be really intentional with where you're buying. But I just figured I'd rather have 20 shares of a $3 stock and risk, $2.74 than do this on NTRBW or NTRB, the $9 stock, because I only had so much money. I had just over $1,000 in ammo, and I wanted to save most of it for an OTC trade. So I took this and then ended up selling. What ended up happening was there was a short trap on NTRB after it reclaims VWAP and starts to stuff, but then immediately recovers. Boom. And that's what gave you this pop. This is 376, top of this candle. I got my sell at 311. So definitely need to work on giving it a little more time. Honestly, the short trap got me nervous because I did enter before that, which probably is why I took the profits a lot sooner, because I was afraid of it being a fake out. I took Prague today as well. Boom. 222. I was going for the range break. Here you had, it clocked high a day, and it was recovering. Took the long for the breakout, knowing that this could be a wedge pattern. Set the risk at 207. So just worked, and I sold too soon again, just because I usually take the dog for a walk somewhere around here. I just didn't want to hold it. Which 270, this definitely could have worked way more. OCGN is the last one we'll talk about. OCGN, boom, which is long from the trend break. You can see the trend here from pre-market. Along the trend break, add on the confirmation of the break, sell 928, ends up going to 948. And that's just it seems so clean and so easy. I just gotta take it. So there you go. Tipped was another runner today that you had a good opportunity on once this reclaimed VWAP in the afternoon. DATS squeezed into the close. We got, Prague ended up closing at lows. I think Prague is done now at this point. Oh, I don't know. I mean, it is back here. It's up 3%, right? But I don't know that Prague is going to give us anything else. So yeah, we're going to watch. I'm not going to trade it because crazy move into the close here. This halted at the end, right into the close, and then opened in after hours and squeezed up to $21. Also looking at Toner, which spiked on a company tweet saying, they're good to go. They're just waiting to get pink current. We're still watching CYAP. We're still watching OCGN. We're still watching Leah's kind of fell apart into the close. That was kind of gross. Tom DF kind of fell apart into the close too. Also gross. AHFD is top watch. Again, I'm looking for this. It's acquisition news. This could run to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cents. Love it. I'm here for it. Sybil, boom, gave it up. MJWL. I guess I'm mainly watching AHFD. I still got to go through all the scans and put a proper list together. So I'll make another video with that later tonight. I know I'm watching SIRC is a solar play, and energy's kind of hot right now. Trend break, I would look to long after maybe this gaps up and you can buy, take a dip buy entry. Remember, this is coming from $3, so this could definitely, I could definitely see this, especially if we get sector momentum. I could see this hitting 80s, maybe $1. Be pretty sick, so keep an eye on that. Anyway, that's all I got for you. Thanks so much for watching. I'll be back later with a formal watch list. I'll be tomorrow with the pre-market watch list. If you like this video, if you got value out of it, please hit that thumbs up. helps out with the YouTube algorithm, consider subscribing and let me know in the comments below what names you're watching, what stocks, what tickers. If you want some TA done on them, leave it underneath. I'll throw it up on the next video. Or if you see something that I can utilize to improve my trading, I'm all ears, because right now I am the 90% of traders that lose. Now, I know I can do better. I'm going to keep striving to do better, and I know I will do better. But, yeah, right now, we are the 99%. All right, I'm sorry. I got to get out of here. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.